Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome here if you are new. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some cleaning and rearranging motivation. I'm going to be rearranging this office here that you see, and also stay tuned to the end because I am going to give you an awesome dessert recipe that is a stapler in my house and that everyone loves. So make sure you stay tuned to the end to watch that. Chase is going to be in here helping us today because, of course, Legos are all his, and today it is his responsibility to help me pick up these Legos so I can get this room wiped down and clean and rearranged. I am also going to be taking down these curtains because they are pretty dirty. You guys probably can't really tell, as I always say, but I'm going to zoom in here up close. See, you guys, these are dirty. They're so dirty on the bottom. I am going to be putting these in the washer. Let's look at the other side and I'll show you guys how dirty those are as well. So they're both really filthy. So I am going to put these in the wash and I'm going to take these all down. And then I'm also going to be working on cleaning these windows because you probably can't really see it as I say, but right here, these spots are all over, and these are just spots that I just don't get to. I'm also going to be wiping out the windowsill. I forgot to tell you guys, I'm also going to be hanging pictures today. So this picture I'm going to hang up there, taking that down because I think that will look so much better up there. So let's get to it.
Right now I'm standing in the corner. I see you from across the room. It's kinda crowded here, but I know you see me too. Everybody's singing, oh, everybody's singing, oh. I don't know what it is about you. It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We've got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh. You got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you.
Hey you guys, sorry about the darkness in this clip. I'm not sure what happened with the camera. But here I'm putting the blinds up. I gotta tell you guys, these blinds, I really dislike these blinds. I really want to take them down and put up shutters. I think shutters look so much better up to the window on the inside as well as on the outside. Does anyone have any shutters that you can tell me below, comment below? Tell me the pros, the cons, if you highly recommend them or not. I would love to know because they are quite pricey, but I just really like the look of them. So anyway, I am going to clean these windows on the inside and out. I forgot to take the screen out, so I had to come back inside, pop the screen out, so then I can go back outside and clean the outside of the windows. And that is what I'm doing here.
Oh! Baby, let me love you, let me love you. love you. Boy, it's been a while since we talked, and my head's getting nervous. I can't handle this on and off. I can't, no. I just gotta know where you are if I want to remain sane. But you're ghosting every text and call. Oh no, you could be running off with.
Then I'm going to go in here and just clean these windowsills with this Method antibacterial spray, and that pretty much gets it clean.
Wait, maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, think I've lost myself. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray-cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I've been staring at my phone too long. Feel my eyes getting tired, and the battery is long, long gone. Oh no, no. There is something you're not telling me, but I can't wrap my head around it. You said you and I were meant to be last week. You could be running off with somebody else. Ooh, boy, I ask myself, yeah. Wait, maybe you're just off doing what you said. Ooh, think I've lost myself. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray-cray, but I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it. I think I'm losing it bad. Wish my mind and I could free ourselves from agony, but without you here, it's hard to keep my thoughts clean. I'm just worried there is something you're not telling me. Ooh, ooh. Tell me what's the hold up, baby. Tell me why your phone's off lately. I don't wanna go all crazy, but I think I'm losing it. Tell me where your heart is these days. Are you being honest with me? I don't wanna go this cray.
Yes, you guys, more Legos everywhere. My son Chase loves these Legos, and they are everywhere. They're all over my house. So I'm going to get these all sweeped up, put them in the box, and then I'm going to continue cleaning.
I think I'm losing it bad.
Thinking about the way that you know me. No one ever cared like you care for me. You're such a bright star in the dark space. Babe, it never worked out with the others. All we ever did was fight, and at one point I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God, don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh. And the best part is that you're still so humble about it, 'cause you know it's important. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God. My, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me.
Okay, you guys, so I'm going to take a break from cleaning because I need to go ahead and get our dessert ready for tonight because it needs to go in the fridge and chill for a little bit before it's ready. So this is a chocolate chip torte that my mother-in-law showed me how to make, and it's my husband's favorite. And it's super simple, and it's a stapler in my house. It's with chocolate chip cookie dough, vanilla and chocolate pudding, cream cheese, and Cool Whip, and that is it. So the first thing I want to do is open the chocolate chip cookie dough. Preheat the oven first, so that's what I'm looking to see. I think it's 350. So I'm going to open that up, spread that out, and let the chocolate chip cookie bake. And then we're going to put the cream cheese on after that cools.
Friend, you got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God. Don't let anyone hold you down just because you are shining way more than the other could. Oh, oh.
Okay, so now the cookie dough has baked, and now I'm going to spread the cream cheese on top of the cooled cookie dough, and I'm going to mix the instant chocolate and vanilla pudding according to the directions on the box with the milk, and spread that on top, and then we're going to put the Cool Whip on last.
Way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like.
So once you spread the Cool Whip on top, it's all done. You want to just put it in the fridge and let that chill, and it is all done, ready for tonight. So now I can get back to cleaning this office, sweep and mop these floors, and hopefully it'll be done in here as well.
Like, oh my God. You got me like, my, my, my. You got me like, there's no other than you now, baby. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like, my, my, my. Like, oh my God.
You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within. And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a lot. You should lose them all and start hanging with me, 'cause I'm the only one.
Okay, you guys, so that is it. This office has been rearranged and cleaned, and it is ready to go for now. I do want to go and find a few pieces to go in here because I just need to add to it and change the look. But I want to say thank you so much for tuning in and watching my channel today. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and you can also follow me over on Instagram, and we can stay connected over there as well. And if you are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for staying until the end and watching. And hope you guys have a great week. Talk to you later. Bye.
And your friends don't even know what you got. They just hang with you 'cause you earn a